Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix voice chat is not showing for your Roblox account. So first launch the application or the website and then log into your account. After that just click on more and then choose settings. First thing to do is to go to your account info, and then here you need to add email and verified of course, and also you need to add your age, and of course you need to continue with the camera or with the ID to check and make your age is verified. After you finish this step, you are going to go to click on privacy and content restrictions, and then you are going to choose communication, then party and party chat, and here once you scroll down, as you can see there is party voice chat. And to enable this option, as you can see, you need your age to be checked, and also basically is only your age to be checked. And here as you can see, if you want to turn it on to all your friends or the trusted friends, your age need to be checked. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.